Welcome back. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. This is Alkaline TV. Today we're making cookies. Spelt cookies, alkaline cookies for sure. They have jam inside of them, stuffed jam cookies, kind of like a fig Newton, but all natural, alkaline, vegan cookies. Let's get into it. So first, we're making some fresh apple juice. And this is a pretty inexpensive juicer, and actually it works really well. I like how it makes the juice because it's not as filtered as others. So once we're done making juice, we take the leftover waste. Since we already cut the seeds out of it, we're just boiling it down and making it into some apple jam or apple butter. So there's some agave nectar. And we left the skins on the apples, but if you peeled them first, it would be a much more smooth, like an applesauce or apple jam. So that was date sugar. Just gonna add little by little agave and date sugar until it's sweet enough. Some more agave. And some more date sugar. This turned out really good, and I also tried this apple jam or apple butter on toast, and it was amazing. And that was some more agave. Alright, so now we'll get into the cookies. Start with 2 cups of spelt flour. Spelt flour is what I eat instead of wheat. No wheat over here. Alright, then you want to add half a teaspoon of sea salt. You getting hungry too? Awesome. Make sure to subscribe and give it a like, because otherwise the YouTube won't show my videos to anyone. So it really helps me out a lot. Also, if you comment, you're a lifesaver. So that was a half cup coconut oil and a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. And then a half cup agave. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you for all the support, by the way. Thank you for the new subscribers. We have a free Facebook group in the description. Make sure to check that out because I share a lot of valuable info in there. Just mix this up until it is completely combined. And then we're gonna form the cookies by hand, and wearing some gloves just to make it easy. So you're basically gonna make a little pancake or patty, and then put the jam in the middle and close it up around it like a little dumpling. Very, very simple. You can use less jam than that. Sometimes I like it with a little bit less jam and more cookie, but it really depends on your preference. So just make a little ball and then gently flatten it out. Also, they'll flatten as they cook. Again, we're just making little patties, putting a little bit of jam, and then closing it up around it. Very, very simple. And you could do this with a different flavor jam. This would work with strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, really anything. You can, and we're just flattening them a little bit, but honestly this step doesn't really matter. And then you want to bake them in a preheated oven, of course, at 350. They don't take very long. They only take about 9 or 10 minutes, but you can check them to make sure that they're not burning after 8 minutes. And here they come, nice and golden brown. That's perfect. What do you think? Are you going to try these out? What flavored jam would you put inside? I made these more than once, and my favorite was the apple. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell notification so that you get notified, because I'm releasing a lot of valuable videos with great recipes that I've spent years coming up with. Also, check out the links in the description where there's more info. And also, if you're really serious, only for super serious people that are at a transition point in their life and they have to make a change and are urgently making a change, I have an alkaline life transformation program. And I don't take everyone as a client, but if you're really serious, I guarantee results in less than 12 weeks. That's less than 3 months for a guaranteed life change. And again, we have to discuss this first, so check out the description because I have a short video with more information in there. My clients right now are having great results. The most recent one has lost 14 pounds so far, which wasn't the primary goal. Their primary goal was more energy and battling chronic fatigue, but losing 14 pounds is a fantastic byproduct of what we're doing. I will see you in our free group on Facebook, and make sure to reach out to me right away if you need help. And then I'll see you in the next video and in the group. Have an amazing day on purpose.